Hello everyone, in this video I will share how to add name on Vivo listed in the title. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. First, open your settings menu. Okay, next open lock screen and wallpaper. Okay, next open lock screen settings. Okay, next open add text on lock screen. Yaps, you can add your name and contact. Example. Okay, next click OK. Okay, now you can see name and contact on your lock screen. Yaps, name and contact. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.